Hi friends, it's Jerry with another EFT tapping video, and in this video I'm going to be helping us tap out of cabin fever. A lot of my clients, my friends, family members, people on social media, and me included have been experiencing a little bit of cabin fever because we've been sheltering in place. Here in California, we've been in quarantine for a little over a week. It feels like longer. So if you're experiencing anything like that, this video is for you. The first thing I want you to do is just sort of check in with that feeling. How intense is it from 0 to 10? It's very important when you tap that you get this first, because this is what helps us calibrate whether we're hitting the mark with our EFT practice. So I'm just going to check in. Cabin fever. It's about a 3. I was outside earlier. I was in the park next to my home, getting some sunshine, playing with my dogs. That helped a lot. When I woke up, it was probably at like a 5 or a 6. And going outside, getting a little bit of exercise, brought it down to about a 3. So just before we begin, just a suggestion. Don't do that thing right now where you wake up, you pull out your phone, you scroll through the latest damage reports on COVID-19, you go make coffee, you go have food, and then you sit on the couch and watch Netflix. I know it's very tempting to do that right now, but it's not going to help you feel better. It's not going to support your mental or emotional or physical health. So to the degree you can, build some routine into your day. Get exercise early. Get sunshine early. Make healthy food choices if you can. Try to take care of yourself and don't just revert to whatever urges arise. I understand the temptation, but you can only watch so much Tiger King. And I get it. I'm hooked too. But it'll be there for you later. So it's okay to start your day and build a little bit of break into your day from the news, from the Netflix, from the video games, and get outside, get some sunshine, get some exercise. Break up the day, talk to people that you care about, check in with them. We have to sort of be conscious about building those routines into our day ourselves because we don't have a job doing it for us right now. So you have to sort of step up and bring that routine and that structure to your day. It will help you feel better, I promise. Okay. Now, how do we get that 3 to a 0? Well, let's begin. So all I want you to do is check in with that feeling for yourself. How intense is it? Make sure hands and face are clean. We're going to observe good hygiene practices, COVID-19 guidelines. Make sure those are clean. I'll give you a minute to pause the video, wash up, and I'll be here to start the tapping when you get back. Okay, you're back. You've got clean hands, clean face. Let's begin. Even though I have cabin fever, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm going stir crazy in my home, I choose to love and honor myself. All this tension, all this boredom, I'm so restless. I feel like I should do something, but I don't want to do anything. I'm bored and lazy at the same time. But it's okay. It's okay to feel like this. Lots of people are feeling like this. It's normal. And I accept myself, no matter how I feel. I accept myself and all these feelings. And I know that these feelings are actually trying to help me. They're trying to get me up, trying to get me to do things, trying to give me energy, get me to pay attention, trying to tell me I should get outside. And I appreciate those messages. And now that I got them, now that I got the message, now that I'm paying attention to my needs, I don't need the bad feelings anymore. So I choose to let those bad feelings go now. I choose to release them totally. I choose to feel good again. I choose to be okay. Deep breath in. Two more times. One more time. Okay, so I'm checking with that feeling now. It's down to a 1. That's pretty good. So it went from a 3 to a 1 with one circuit. Let's just tap a little more. There's no harm in doing it again. I'm going to do one more circuit. See if we can get it all the way down to a 0. Now something you can do with tapping, there is an art to it as well as a science. And the art is, as you discharge the first layer of problem states. So we tapped on cabin fever, feeling stir crazy, boredom, restlessness. As we strip that away, the art is paying attention to what might be underneath it. So as you release that first layer, you might become present to another feeling or another mental state that you can tap on. So what was underneath that stuff for me, if I just sort of check in with myself, is this feeling that I should be doing more. I need to be doing more. I need to be more productive, or I need to, be doing even more videos or more work. And, I'm not doing enough. I'm wasting my time. And a little bit of guilt and anxiety over that. So now I'm going to tap on that. Okay. So let's just check in with that feeling. That's at about a 2 or a 3. Okay. Even though I feel like I should be doing more, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel like I'm not doing enough, I choose to love and honor myself. I feel like I'm wasting my time. I feel like I should be doing more things with my time. Like I feel like I need to be productive. And I'm not doing the things that I should be doing. And I feel bad about that. But I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Maybe I'm doing exactly the right amount of things. Maybe it's okay to do a little less right now. And I can do things, and I can rest. I can do both. I can have my freak out over the news time, and I can make more videos, and I can be more productive with my work and my projects. And I can also veg out and watch Tiger King. It's all okay. I'm okay. So I choose to let those bad feelings go now. I choose to let go of this story that I'm not doing enough. I choose to embrace that everything is just fine, that I'm doing enough. I am enough, no matter what. Deep breath in. Two more times. One more time. Let it all out. Whew. So that feeling is totally gone now. That really nailed it. So you can do this too. Pay attention to what comes up as you release the first layer, the second layer, what's underneath, and then tap on that. And when you do that and you follow that rabbit hole, you're going to eventually get it down to a manageable level or to 0. Now, I just did 2 circuits and I got it down to a 0 for myself. If you still feel a little bit of that, do it again. Rewind this video and tap with me again. You can also, of course, adapt the self-talk to what it is that you are feeling. What is the problem state you are experiencing? There is a fellow EFT practitioner on YouTube that I really appreciate. His name is Brad Yates. And if you search YouTube for Brad Yates EFT anxiety, frustration, money fears, boredom, he's got a video. He's very prolific and he's got a video on nearly every subject. So give it a shot. EFT, Brad Yates, and whatever problem you're coming up with, you can tap with Brad. I recommend him to clients. I think he's fantastic. And he practices a very similar tapping style to the one that I appreciate the most. So get creative with this. Get playful. Adapt the self-talk. Just one little guideline about the self-talk. This is not for you to gloss over. This is not for you to pretend everything's great and to be super positive and shove what you're feeling down. This is really your opportunity to give full expression to what the problem is. Really get it out. Exercise it in your language. Give full voice to it. And choose to love and accept yourself. Choose to love and honor yourself. In spite of that feeling. Perhaps even because of that feeling. That's what this is about. This is not about denial or being positive. You want to be as negative and yucky and dirty and nasty and awful and bad and all of that stuff. Let it out in your tapping. That's what makes this work. That plus accepting and loving yourself, honoring yourself no matter what, is why this is powerful and why this works. So take that into your practice. Tap with me, tap with Brad. Let me know if there's something else that you want to see. Let me know if you're experiencing a state or a problem and neither me or Brad has hit the mark yet for you and you don't really know where to start. Shoot me an email, quantumtransformation.coach. You can reach me through my website. Leave a comment here on this video. I'm happy to help. I'm happy to give you whatever resources you think I could offer you. So stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, reach out to people that you care about. Take good care right now, especially more than ever. And I'll see you in the next video.